there! In today's video we're gonna see how to add some headers or what we call some titles to the HTML page, because sometimes when we're writing our document or our HTML page we just want to add some headers or titles to it, and so we're gonna see which tag is appropriate for that in HTML.
So to add the title to our HTML page or a header, we're gonna use the h1 tag, like this, h1. And H stands, of course, for header. So h1, we're gonna write, for example, first title. We're gonna save everything and then go back to our browser. So we're gonna try to open our HTML page with our browser, which is Google Chrome. And see, here we have our first title, which is bold. Let's go back to our editor and we can try h1, but we don't have only the h1. We have actually 6 headers, 6 types of headers. We have h1, h2, h3, h4, 5, and then 6. But we cannot go beyond h6. h6 is the last type of header that we can use. So let's try all of them to see the difference. Let's try h2, sorry. Second header or title. Second, let's keep it title. Let's save and go to our browser. And see, here we have the second title. So you see the difference between second title and first title? The second title is less bold than the first title. And the size is smaller. Okay? Let's go back and then add all the other titles. H3, third title. H4, fourth title. H5, fifth title. And then last H6, sixth title. Let's save our HTML page and go back to our browser and refresh. And then we have here all types of titles. So the more we increment our title index, like here, the more we increment it, here we have 1, then 2, then 3, etc., the less our titles are bold and the more they are smaller than the first title. Alright? So let's take an example. Let's say that we want to have a HTML page about, let's say, soccer. Let's grab some text about soccer game. Let's see this one. Yeah, well, just let's copy this and paste it. We're gonna remove everything and we're gonna create a paragraph where we're gonna paste the text like this, and let's save it. Let's see what we have on the browser here. So we have this text, we have this tag also. So what is the problem? It's here. So we have our text. So let's say that we want to add a title here on the top of the page to guide the user and make them aware that this page is about soccer. We can just add h1, for example, here, right before the paragraph, h1, and let's say soccer game. And save, go back to our browser, refresh, and then you see we have here the soccer game title. So now our page is clear that it's about the soccer game. So this is all for this video. If you liked it, give us a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos.